Welcome back into Good Day Kansas. It's time for another Every Mile of Life segment. So of course we are here at Midway Motors. We're in Hutchinson. Today we're joined here with Jessica Walker, Assistant Service Manager.
Yes.
And I just learned that you've been here 20 years.
Yes, I have.
So you must love it here.
I do love it here.
Excellent. Well, here in the service department, you deal with service appointments. So we all have had it happen. The light has come on in our dashboard and you have to make the dreaded phone call. But here at Midway Motors, they go to great lengths to make sure that that is an easy process. So walk us through what would happen when I'm ready to come in and get some service on my car.
Okay, so we have a couple of different ways that you can make appointments. You can either just telephone in or you can make an appointment online. If you were to call in, you can just ask for service. You can ask for me directly if you'd like to, and then I will take care of it from there. If you need us to pick it up from work, we can pick it up from work from you. If you want to bring it in, we have shuttles, we have loaner cars, so we just try to make it as easy as possible.
That's amazing. So they'll come, you'll go to wherever anyone is and pick up their car.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Bring it in
And then once I'm here, it's really nice to see a familiar, friendly female face here. It's a male-dominated industry, we all know that, but I know that you and your staff go to great lengths to make sure people are comfortable and knowledgeable about what's going on. So tell me about this status update program you have.
So we have what's called an iService program, and so when you bring your vehicle in for service, you will receive a text message prompting that you're going to get a video. So when the vehicle is in with the technician, they will take video of the inspection. You'll get the video so that you can see what's going on. You can ask the technician a question directly by text. You can also text me directly, which is sometimes easier than trying to make a phone call. So we can text throughout the day. I'll keep you updated, make you informed of what needs to happen to get you back up on the road.
That's awesome. So you can literally just hit a button, hit a link, send a text. I know when I'm, I don't always have time to sit there with my car. Now if I do, and if I am here, and if I can wait on it, is that an option as well?
Absolutely, you can wait here. We have a waiting room that has refreshments and things for you to make you comfortable. We have Wi-Fi so that if you need to work while you're here, you can do that as well. We have desks and tables for that to happen up front. So yes, we try to make you feel as comfortable as possible.
And during a time that is really just usually hectic, when nobody has time to give up their car and get it serviced. So you guys go to great lengths to make sure it's easy and convenient.
Yes.
And of course, quality work is done.
Yes, absolutely. We have technicians with lots of years of experience that'll take care of your vehicle, and they are factory trained.
Awesome. So when that light comes on, or if you're trying to be preventative, come in and see Jessica. You can send her a text. You can call in. What's the website if we are interested in getting some more information on Midway?
It is midwaymotorshutchinson.com.
And you guys are all over Hutchinson, McPherson, and
Newton,
the
Hillsboro.
list goes on.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for your time today,
Yes,
Jessica.
thank you.
More from Good Day Kansas when we return.